Disposable aluminum pans. This package contains 6 Reynolds Kitchens disposable cake pans with lids, each measuring 13 by 9 inches. Won't buckle under pressure. These strong and sturdy aluminum baking pans are made to handle the heartiest desserts and meals. Secure lids. Snug-fitting lids included with these foil pans keep your sweets safe and sound in transport, plus make storing leftovers a snap. Oven safe and non-stick. Save your pans from stuck on food and make cleanup easy with these recyclable, disposable cake pans. Royal blue exterior. Make your next celebratory treat extra special with the festive royal blue exterior of the Reynolds aluminum cake pan with lid. Reynolds Foil Dessert Pans with lids make baking your cakes, brownies and other pastry treats fuss-free and easy to share with others. Each 13 by 9 aluminum cake pan has a non-stick surface that eliminates the need for oil or spray. Just pour the batter in, and slide your cake right out of the pan after cooling. A snug-fitting, clear lid is included for each pan and makes transportation and storing leftovers easy. Plus, when the party's over, cleanup is simple with these recyclable, disposable pans. Whether you're baking a birthday cake for family or whipping up a cobbler for a party, these aluminum baking pans make fast work of the dishes so you can enjoy the festivities. Top reviews from the United States. My favorite way to bake birthday cakes. Nowadays, I like to save money and bake my birthday cakes for my family at home. I am an avid lover of baking, so this comes natural to me. I use these pans because they usually make my cakes look professional. I can carry these easily to birthday party functions. I love the addition of the lid because it keeps my cakes covered. These are really easy to use and they are disposable, so there is no need for washing the pan. The cakes bake up and rise well and they are easily released from the pan. This particular is my go-to when I am in the market for a disposable baking pan to use for cakes.